What's going on YouTube? It's me, Austin, here for Intrusive Ralph Film Productions. This is a tutorial video on how to install the belt clip on a Yaesu FT-4X amateur ham radio. So what you're going to need for this application is a small Phillips screwdriver. And in the package, they will give you 2 screws, though they did not provide extras. Now, when I first saw this when I was unboxing the radio, I just could not believe of how simple it is to install the belt clip, because my previous... Okay, the other radio that I have is a Yaesu FT-270R, and I just cannot figure out how to install the belt clip. And so what I did is I super glued it on the back of the nickel hydride battery. So this is how you install the belt clip on this radio. So you see these 2 holes right here? You have to match them with what's on the belt clip. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Now, of course, I know this doesn't look like a screwdriver, but this is the only thing that I can find around the house at the moment. There's 1, and there's 2. So you just screw them in like so. I'm so dang nervous I'm going to lose a screw, because they do not give you any extras in the package. And then there you go. So that is how you install the belt clip on the Yaesu FT-4X amateur ham radio. I thank you all for watching, and I hope that you have found this video useful.